Hi, I'm Amos with Ramco, here to show Omron E2E NEXT proximity sensors, which have the longest sensing distance for a given size in the world. I have with this demonstration rig a few examples from the series. As you can see, they have a status indication LED viewable from 360 degrees. This makes sensor status easy to see, even in dark, awkward locations, which is very helpful for troubleshooting. Other prox sensors may only have one LED, viewable from one side, or no LED at all. Furthermore, the smaller size of the E2E Next for a given sensing range means they can fit into spaces too small for other sensors. One frustrating aspect of ordinary inductive prox sensors is they must be so close to what they are sensing, which often leads to collisions resulting in damaged sensors to replace. This is one of the M12 models with a 9mm sensing gap. Look at that spacing. With the E2E Next, you can mount the sensor with greater clearance from the target, avoiding this frustrating problem and costly downtime. In fact, this series can detect ferrous metal targets up to 50mm away with the M30 size. All models are resistant to cutting oil for at least 2 years, making them perfect for machining applications or locations with lots of oil and lubricant. In addition, there are also models with additional oil resistance of at least 4 years. Another advantage is that you can reduce the number of different sensors needed on a machine. For example, where before you would need an M18 size sensor as well as an M12 size sensor to detect from 4mm to 8mm, the E2E Next sensor can detect at both distances in the M12 size. This means fewer parts to inventory and only one size of hole to drill for mounting. Furthermore, they are IP69K compliant, so they can be used in wet areas such as washdown areas for food processing. To learn more about E2E Next prox sensors or to inquire about custom automation solutions, contact Ramco today.